children, today we are going to read Time to be a Rock, which is written by Deepa Agarwal. And in this story we will find to know how a little turtles when he thinks about decided to go out, and this story is all about that turtle. Okay, let's start the story. Toto is a little turtle. Toto is a little turtle and he lives in pond with his father and mother. Do you know turtle means kachua? Turtle means kachua and little turtle means chota kachua. And where does he live? He lives in a pond. Pond means talab. One day Toto wanted to go for a walk. Where did he want to go? He want to go for walk. He want to go for a walk. Walk means टहलना. Okay, because he wanted to see what was outside the pond. What did he want to see? He wanted to see what was outside the pond. Outside means बाहर. Pond के बाहर. So he talked about it to his mother. Okay, and he asked for permission. Mama, may I go outside the pond? Mama, what did he say? He said, Mama, may I go outside the pond? His mama said, all right, ठीक है, but remember, but याद रखो, what I have taught you, मैंने तुम्हें क्या सिखाया है. If you hear any scary sound, अगर तुम्हें कोई भी डरावनी आवाज़ सुनाई दे, it is time to be a rock. मतलब कि तुम्हारे ऊपर जो एक कवर लगा है उसको तुम नीचे गिरा देना, मतलब कि खुद को कवर कर लेना, and then you will be safe then. Okay, he said, yes mama, I will. Now Toto came out of the pond and walked in a garden. Now he came out of the pond. Where did he came? He came out of the pond and walked in a garden. Where did he walk? He walked in a garden. Garden means bagicha. Soon मतलब जल्दी, शीघ्र, he heard, heard. Soon he heard a scary sound. What did he hear soon? He heard a scary sound. Someone was coming. Who was coming? Someone was coming and there was a sound. Peter Pat. Toto quickly pulled his head into his cell. What did Toto do? Toto quickly pulled his head into cell. अपने सेल में उसने अपना हेड को डाल दिया अंदर. Then he stood very still. अब वो पूरी तरह से शांत था. He said to himself, time to be a rock. I will be safe now. अब मैं ठीक हूँ. It was Mimi. Who was coming? It was Mimi. Mimi was coming. Mimi was a cat. It was Mimi cat walking by the pond. And her eyes fell on the rock. Where did her eye fall? Her eye fell on the rock. Wow, she said, wow, what a pretty rock. I will take it home. Wow, what a pretty rock. I will take it home. Toto up and took him home. What did she pick? What did she do with Toto? She picked मतलब उठाना. She picked Toto up. She